After the emergence of COVID clusters in educational institutes in Tamil Nadu, the state government has now announced that only JAB students will be allowed to attend classes in college. The Tamil Nadu government held a meeting with secretaries of higher education and university vice chancellors to implement new guidelines to prevent large gatherings in educational institutes. Take a listen to Tamil Nadu Health Minister who spoke on this.
அதாவது 18 வயதை தாண்டிய மாணவர்கள் தடுப்பூசி போட்டால் மட்டுமே வகுப்பறைகளில் அனுமதி அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம். அது ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்டா ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்.
மத்த வேற என்ன கைட்லைன்ஸ்
இல்ல அதுதான் இந்த ஸ்டெயின்லெஸ் ஸ்டீல் பிளேட்ல சாப்பிடுறதாலயோ அது கழுவுறதாலயோ கிளஸ்டர் இது தொற்று பரவும்னு சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. அதனால டிஸ்போசபிள் பிளேட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. கல்ச்சுரல் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி நடத்துவானா தேவையான இந்த பட்டமளிப்பு மாதிரியான நிகழ்ச்சிகள் மட்டும் நடத்திக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்கு. சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும். மாஸ்க் மஸ்ட்ங்கிற மாதிரி. ஸ்கூலுக்கு தடுப்பூசி போட முடியாது. அதே நேரத்தில் இந்த விதிமுறைகளை கடைபிடிக்கிறதுல அவங்களுக்கு அது வலியுறுத்தும். ஏர்போர்ட்ல இது வரைக்கும் ஒரு 16 பேருக்கு மட்டும் தான் பாசிட்டிவ் வந்திருக்கு. வந்த அத்தனை பேருமே நல்லா இருக்கிறாங்க. இதுல யாருக்கும் முதல் கட்ட ஆய்வில் இந்த இதுதான் டெல்டா தான் இருக்கு. இன்னும் அந்த மாதிரி புதிய வைரஸ் கண்டறியப்படல.
Let me go across to my colleague Mugilan. Mugilan, we've seen that there has been a concern in Karnataka where there have been a number of educational institutes there which have in fact reported clusters. Though over there they have decided that we are not going to take any drastic steps. Here in Tamil Nadu, what we can in fact see is that COVID clusters have been reported in a few schools and colleges, following which this decision has been taken. But this, of course, for the clarity of our viewers, only applies to college students?
Definitely, yes. Now we are seeing, because at least in last 3 weeks, we are seeing new clusters emerging from the educational institutes, both in colleges and in school. So following that, now today the Tamil Nadu Health Department and the Minister and the other officials held meetings with the Higher Education Secretary, School Education Secretary, all the university VCs, Vice Chancellors also. And during the meeting today, it was decided that only the 18 plus, that is the students who go into college, will be permitted to attend the physical classes only if they have taken vaccine, is what we are hearing from the Health Department. And when we spoke with the Health Minister, he also have confirmed that is in Tamil Nadu, there are 4 lakh students who have taken technical education, and out of 4 lakh, only 46% of the students have taken first dose, and when it comes to second dose, only 12% of the students have taken the second dose. So to avoid these students getting contracted to virus or developing any complications, now the Health Department have instructed and has announced that only the students who have taken at least one vaccine will be allowed to attend the physical classes, is what we are hearing from the Tamil Nadu Health Minister. And along with this, we have seen that is most of these clusters that have been identified in the colleges are coming through the college canteens or mess, is what we are hearing from the Health Department officials. So to prevent that, now the colleges and the universities have been instructed by the Health Department to allow students going for lunch only in batches, and that too they have asked to serve food only in the disposable, that is once disposable place, until the further orders. To this also seen as a measure to bring down people gathering in large number and spread of virus among the large people, is what we are hearing from the Health Department. So from now on, only the students who are vaccinated, that is the college students who are eligible population students who are at least taken one dose, will be allowed to attend the physical classes in Tamil Nadu.
Right, Mugilan, a very important update there coming in from Tamil Nadu, where only vaccinated students will be allowed to attend physical classes. This is, of course, a rule for college students, but essentially, as we can see, that the rule has come up essentially after several educational institutes in Tamil Nadu have reported cases of COVID, and clusters have in fact emerged in some of these schools. Thank you so much for joining us, Mugilan.